Bore da pawb, be sy'n digwydd? What's happening? Whew. Well, it's been a long time since I put a video on. It was around about Christmas time, I think. So I thought I'd better come on and explain myself why I haven't been posting videos. Two reasons mainly. One has been the appalling weather, which has just been high winds and driving rain, leading in worst case scenarios to wind damage and flooding. And the second reason is I've been in hospital twice since Christmas. But all that is fine. Better now. Dwi'n well rwan. So the past couple of days the weather's been quite nice. So I thought I'd take a quick trip to find out what it's like underfoot and sort of test things. And to be honest, today is glorious. So I thought I'd come and take a little trip up here to Denbigh Castle. Oh yes. As you can see, we've got our own castle. The castle was built by King Edward I in 1282 to keep the rebellious Welsh in check. But it didn't quite work as they managed to seize the castle a mere 12 years later. Now the place might look in a bit of a state now, but the damage wasn't done in battle. It was seized in 1659 by royalists in the English Civil War, who then slighted it, meaning they demolished enough of it to make it unusable as a fortification. Shame. Unfortunately, it's closed today. Quite impressive though. But there's plenty to see up here. I mean, the views are stunning. Yeah, so I've decided to go back home via the woods behind the castle. I think the walking conditions are very nice, though it's a bit muddy. But bearing in mind the weather we've had recently, it's not so bad at all. If it continues like this, then it's walking weather. And this place looming above us now is quite famous locally. It's known as the Goblin Tower, and it is reputedly haunted. Ooh. Now these woods are known locally as a Gwynia, and opinions are divided on the origin of that name. Some think it's from the Welsh word for wind, gwynt, so windy woods. But the other theory is that it comes from the word gwyn, which is white woods. Now why would a wood be white? Well, in the 13th century when they were building the castle, they built it from a huge limestone quarry here. And as you know, limestone quarries produce limestone dust, which makes everything white. I believe this is the remnants of that quarry. So there you go. Which one's right? You pays your money and you takes your choice. Yeah. Whoops. As you can see, the conditions are still quite boggy at the moment, but another week of weather like this and I think I could be out on the trails again. Maybe muddy underfoot, but the weather is gorgeous now. Yeah, so apologies for the radio silence since Christmas. But if the weather stays like this, we should get some nice walks in this year. I just thought I'd touch base and let you all know what's happening in Will's world. So there we go, thanks for joining me. And I'll see you next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.